Libra. This is your channel messages for the 8th of May, Libra. Let's see what is in your messages today, Libra. We have Illuminati coming out first, Libra. So yeah, I'm getting you're with the shit, you're a part of the shit, or I'm getting you're researching this shit, okay? I'm getting Illuminati, all right? We have CIA, yeah. I was just talking about Miss Mona Van Dyne. I went on the CIA website to see all 13 Illuminati bloodlines. I don't know if Mona Van Dyne you're connecting to, Libra, something about the justice system. Now, the justice system may say something about you stealing someone's identity. You stole the identity of Miss Van Dyne. No, I did not. The nasty blood clot workers at Kennedy, the nasty workers at Home First. I have proof and documentation that there was a letter written up in Miss Mona Van Dyne's name and in Vanessa Carby's name. So your dirty blood clot Home First workers can't tell you nothing. What your nasty blood clot Home First workers did is because somebody entered the shelter system as Mona Van Dyne, them take Vanessa Carby lotto winning. Because me never enter the blood clot shelter as Vanessa Carby. Me enter it as Mona Van Dyne. Actually, me enter it as Victoria Van Dyne. But guess what, motherfuckers? I have the letter with blood clot Home First heading with Vanessa Carby and Mona Van Dyne and Victoria Van Dyne. So your dirty blood clot thieving staff member Home First can say them never did know what go on. Good? Great. Let's continue the reading. Libra, the justice system. Yes, some social worker what thief money from you. Cause them claim say them don't know where your name. Them claim say you never enter them system or something. A blood clot lie. I have the letter. I have the letter with blood clot Home First heading with Victoria Van Dyne and Vanessa Carby. 2 blood clot letter. I get it. I scan it and send it to my 311 worker. Because suck on the mother and thief my blood clot lot of winnings come and enter the blood clot shelter with Victoria Van Dyne name. So the fuck of them say, oh, yeah, we hear so she win lotto, but it look like she's schizophrenic, met with thief it from her. Yeah, bumbo clot Home First, yeah. Continue the fucking reading. Well, I better when I'm done with you to get blood clot shut down. I better the blood clot government withdraw every blood clot sponsorship from a bed from Uno. I bet you. I better say blood clot one at Home First. I better 2 blood clot locations shut the fuck down. The first location Uno make me fight. And tell me say and try to instigate me and the girl for blood clot fight. Then make the girl, by the time me and the girl done fight, me gone out in a stretcher. The first Home First shelter that you do me, when you make my blood clot fight the white girl. The second shelter, when you say, yeah man, you finish fighting, now you're gonna win the lotto. When you thief my blood clot lotto winnings. And the third blood clot Home First shelter, when you say, my dead? Yeah, CIA, Illuminati, government, liberals. If you try to look to where the blood clot is started, it started at Home First. That's how blood clot starts. And the staff can't say, the staff members cannot say I am lying because they printed a document for me too that I sent to my social worker when I was being trafficked as a blood clot kitchen sink. When we're done with you know, when I got blood clot, when I got wish, when I never blood clot abuse me. Watch me. We have Aries, the head, the emperor. We have shark. We have prophet. And we also have Cancer. So now we're going to see who have blood clot Cancer. Me or blood clot Home First. Pussy, you think my blood clot forget what to do me? From the first blood clot shelter, you make my blood clot fight and tell me not to put me in one house. Then you kick me up on the blood clot street. The second blood clot shelter, when you rob the blood clot lotto winnings and put the fucking OLG checkbook on my blood clot locker after you done tear out the pages out of it. Yeah. Thankfully, me have every blood clot document. Screenshot on every blood clot thing. When you better blood clot talk to the government. When my blood clot done with the government, I go withdraw every blood clot sponsorship contract there. I better that fucker go shut down. Watch me. And let me tell you something, when my blood clot, lot of money get clear, I'm going to buy your blood clot shelter from you. Watch. And the whole on the blood clot workers are going to get fired. Pussy hole. Me can enough with 70 mil. I probably buy your blood clot franchise. Or run yours out of blood clot business. Watch me. Pussy hole. We have the 9 of Cups coming out first. Yeah, as you wish. We have the King of War, and them I set them blood clots set me up with the Leo man, you know. The caseworker, you know, the blood clot fat bitch caseworker, I have the butterfly tattoo. And all of them know I set me up with the blood clot Leo man. Make the Leo man bring me go to the Ukrainian bank near the Scotia bank. And then you hear say, oh, I have how much money in a hidden account. That's all you hear. Your girl and beg money. Look how much money she have. Look how much money she have, and she beg money. Look how much money she have. I teeth the fuck of them teeth it. And get the blood clot Leo man. The white man. And that them blood clot though. And I try for bully people and them shelter to kill themselves. Pussy hole watch from a blood clot don't know. I don't give a fuck. Bully, you know what? Go on blood clot, bully. Watch what a blood clot happen when my bully run out on a blood clot job. Pussy hole. I wait me that blood clot, wait till I leave your blood clot shelter. Because I know if me do what I want to do in there, a police will call for me and they will hold on for me. Police can hold on me now, at least I have a blood clot house. The 5 of Swords, yeah. I fight them, make my blood clot fight first. And I say, yeah man, when you fight, you'll get one house. And fight, remember fight the blood clot white girl. The white girl drop on the fucking floor, her head a bleed. Bleed out, I think I kill her. I swear I kill the blood clot girl. She stay upon the ground for about 3 minutes and the blood I rush upon the concrete. And all of the fucking home first workers watch. Yeah. Go tell the blood clot later with the Scotia bank account. So I want my blood clot money with home first set up and blood clot game. Watch me and blood clot, oh no. I tell you no, I'm going to fuck all on no. All on going to get fucked. Watch. The 7 of Pentacles, the government will withdraw every blood clot sponsorship contract from Uno. Pussy will pay for your own blood clot bed. And the Ace of Wands. But not blood clot aid. When I aid the man in a prostitution, yeah, aid the blood clot layer in a blood clot trafficking. Watch me and blood clot. Oh no, 3 home first location. I'm going to 3 location. I'm going to do my blood clot dirty. You think me give a fuck? Me not like none of uno. None of blood clot uno. Me not like none of uno. Uno for fucking know that. You can call me blood clot ungrateful. Remember the fucker you used the blood clot do me when I'm in a shelter. Pussy hole. Me not like none of uno. Go suck on the mother. Watch when my blood clot done with your government now get no more blood clot money. That's shut down. Shut the fuck down and shut off. You're not getting no blood clot money for food. When you're not getting no blood clot money for shit or nothing. 5800 Young Street forget fuck. Downtown forget fuck. And blood clot 702 Candy forget fuck. Watch me and blood clot. And I hope the government shut my blood clot down. You, your dirty blood clot manager, your suck pussy blood clot supervisors, the whole of blood clot on down there. You take my blood clot afraid. The 9 of Cups is clarified by the Chariot. Every minute police in and out. Nobody now fight. Every minute police are gonna. Every minute you see the police in the building. I collect data from people. Yeah, dirty blood clot home first. Oh no. Dirty blood clot rat, the biggest fucking in blood clot informants, the blood clot home first franchise. When me there, you know much time police come in there and look for people, you know much time the police come in there and ask questions, and them now give the police the information, with a dirty blood clot staff members. I tell the police we can't give you that information, and the police them look for people who are missing. The King of Swords clarified by the Ace of Swords, yeah. I'm getting something about one Leo man. The 5 of Wands, see the girl here now, yeah, she fear she to take. And yeah, claims that she have baby, she have kids. Yeah, you know she have a daughter, and a blood clot me. And a blood clot me, suck pussy blood clot home first, and a fucking me, and the other bitch in the blood clot system wanna switch my name with. Dirty fuckers. I hope, I pray, and boy, me research the blood clot. What me need for shutting the fuck down. When my blood clot done with you, government not give you no blood clot money no more. That's gonna get shut the fuck down. Remember that. We have a 7 of Pentacles coming out. It's Emperor, Empress. Pussy hole. I want to buy your blood clot shelter and run everybody out. That my blood clot though. Pussy hole. Think you can style me for years. Home first do this to me for years. Them and them dirty blood clot suck pussy blood clot workers. I don't give a fuck. Me not like none of uno. None of uno me no blood clot like on a thief. One more. And the strength on our blood, the Leo. So the Leo here me attack. So the Leo here what them I work with. So the Leo here what them I help traffic. So the Leo here what them I help promote for porn. So the blood clot Leo here. Yeah, Emperor, Empress, King and Queen. But tonight traffic, you think me don't know what going down there? But tonight when I give the girl them to rich man, you think me don't know? That's why the last blood clot man my date and I come out for the date. The Kennedy, the home first shelter, all the staff member them out there are watching me and the blood clot rich man come in. And all the home first member hold the door open for me in front of the blood clot rich man. Cause you're selling the one blood clot sell me to him. Pussy hole, when I'm done with Uno, I swear to God, let me write it down. No. Remember blood clot, never hex it blood clot. No, home, let me fucking hex it. Watch me and blood clot, you know. One more, I'm done. When I give a fuck. When I like none of you go suck on the blood clot, madam. When I like none of you. When I like your blood clot suck pussy supervisor. When I like your suck pussy blood clot housing workers. When I like your suck pussy blood clot staff. Colleen can cook though. Colleen could cook. At least Colleen could cook. Colleen know how to cook really, really well. And I was not disappointed with Colleen's cooking. Because suck on the mother, everybody else. Because suck on the mother, pussy hole. I'm going to make sure they shut it the fuck down. And blood clot. You think me don't know what I do? Pussy, you think me don't know what blood clot I do? When I sell the girl them to man? The last blood clot rich man I go out with. If you see how the home first people them outside are watch me. If you see how them open the door in front of the man. If I try to make it look like say, yeah man, it's okay. We're treating her very right here. Don't worry. Pussy, when I'm done with you know, I want 3 blood clot home first locate. Whose dick me have a blood clot suck and goggle for blood clot home first organization forget shut the fuck down. Whose? And the supervisor for 5800 when them hear some of the 702 cause 5800 them thief the blood clot lot of winnings. When I go in there as Victoria Van Dyne, she come at 702 and watch me for identify me for say I the same girl, yeah. A blood clot me, I the same blood clot girl when I make fight and nearly kill the blood clot white girl. I the same blood clot girl when they there 5800 will come in with Victoria Van Dyne. I the same blood clot bitch. Me say, I want the government shut on the fuck down. Me not like none of uno me no blood clot like. Me hate all of uno. Every single one of you there, me hate you. Know that. I hope you burn in blood clot hell. I hope your kids never blood clot make it. I hope that when your kids them grow up, I hope them in a blood clot homeless shelter too. I hope me a blood clot pray. The supervisor can go suck out her big pussy blood clot mother. The blood clot manager can come blood clot suck out my bumper clot ass. And the other batty man and the lesbian them there, you can fuck off. Me not like none of you go suck on the mother. I will work hardly, diligently and creatively to make sure at least 3 on the blood clot location get shut down. Home first. The home of the blood clot trafficking ring. But a blood clot praise and a politician not hear what me I say. Pussy hole. When I get shut down. 702, done. 5800, done. That I forgot tear down and gone a new management. I don't want to see them no more. So somebody, please, I don't know who, but I'm just asking the public, deliberately, creatively, if it have to get burned down, we can do that too. I don't give a fuck. Send police on my blood clot door. Because when the police was looking for me, I want to tell the police and me as somebody else. So you can't even blood clot send police on my door, because I lie to the police too. You see how that work? You can't even send police on my door, because I lie. And if you send police on my door, you're going to get catched on the blood clot lie. You think me there homeless shelter smoke all this time? What the fuck you think me I do? Me I watch the whole on the teeth. Now blood clot thief. The whole I know. The whole I know. All I own is fucking thieves. I hate you. I don't like you. And if I was Hitler, but I wipe off the whole of blood clot, oh no. That's how I feel about home first. And I don't give a fuck if you feel like I'm so-called ungrateful. I don't give a fuck if you feel like, oh, that's drastic. Yeah, as drastic as one do me. If I was Hitler, I would have burned you alive. I would have burned you. We would have burned home first, them staff members, and everybody in that building alive. And I would be there for watch your blood clot burn, and you drop to the ground, and the only thing that was left burning is your teeth, your nails, and your blood clot skeleton. I don't like you. I actually hate you. And I hope and pray that your blood clot workers lose them job and your company gets shut the fuck down. That's how much hate I have for you from 2021 until now. If I was Hitler, I would kill and burn the whole of blood clot down. That's how much I hate you. I'm gonna give a fuck. And this is not a Miss Medical Threat YouTube. I'm telling you why the fucking staff at home first in 3 different fucking locations are thieves and abusers. I saw my blood clot feel, I'm not lie. I'd have burned them, I'd have light them a blood clot fire. Alright, this is how I feel. I feel this way. I don't like no. I'm not like a suck pussy supervisor. I'm not like no. Go suck on the mother. Anyways, I'm going to leave it here. So until next time, bye.